Everybody, it's Teacher Crystal. I'm here in our backyard with a little farm, and farm animals is our theme this month in preschool. And I just wanted to show you my pet. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to show you the things we see here on the farm. I see pig. I hear pig. Now let's go see our pig.
Hello, this is our pig Hambino. He likes to eat a lot of oranges and fruits, but they're all old. And here's my grandpa.
This is our farmer Chano. Who's this pig?
It's Hambino. And he loves to eat apples and vegetables. He loves all the good stuff.
Grandpa, how much do you think the pig weighs?
Well, roughly around 140 pounds.
Yeah? And does he lose his hair?
Once a year. I mean,
Yeah.
just not a lot. It's just, some of the hair.
How does he stay cool?
Well, he loves the mud, puddles of water, and he just loves to get all dirty and messy.
Yeah.
That's the way he cleans himself.
Hambino!
Hambino, say hi, Hambino. Hi, Hambino. And he technically loves rubbing his back on the wood.